Hi, so today I'm going to be discussing the beanbag dribble lesson plan. The objective is that the students will use the beanbag as a tool to focus on dribbling techniques used in the gym. The TEAK is the students will demonstrate competency in fundamental movement patterns and proficiency in a few specialized movement forms. The grade level it will be focused towards is 3rd grade. The list of equipment includes one beanbag for every student, or how many were laid out on the floor, one hoop for every student or group, and a basketball for each student. The explanation of the warm-up activity is that the students will be demonstrating how to dribble a basketball between their palms while going back and forth using their hands without losing control of the basketball. The introduction of rules and procedures is that the student can only pick up one beanbag at a time while moving it to the hoop. The students as well can only count the beanbags that they dropped in the center of the hoop. If it goes outside the hoop, it will not count towards points. The student also will have, if their group has the most amount of beanbags in their hoop, then they win the activity that will be used in the gym. The description of the activity is that the students will find a spot in the gym and bounce the ball. While bouncing the ball, the instructor will ask them to dribble the ball from hand to hand. Then, as they dribble with their dominant hand, they will try to pick up a beanbag while dribbling it and drop it into the hoop. Then the students will go into groups of 4, and each one of them will try to dribble while moving a beanbag into their hoop. Then the next person in their group will repeat the same steps. This will have them focus on multitasking and their dribbling techniques. They will be given 10 minutes to get as many beanbags into their hoop as possible. After the timer goes off, the students will stop dribbling, and each group will count as how many beanbags they have in their hoops. Each beanbag is worth 2 points. Closing the activity, at the end, the instructor will have them discuss in their groups what methods they use to not stop dribbling the ball, and demonstrate how to dribble the ball between their hands, as shown through the warm-up activity. Also, she will have them point to their dominant hand, which for instance mine is my right hand, and show them how to dribble using their dominant hand compared to the effects of it having not using their non-dominant hand. She will also have them discuss the importance on the methods that they use to exchange the beanbags, showing the importance of the different techniques that they used and what differences it made towards moving it to the hoop in a time-efficient manner. Some of the challenges included each time that they bounced the ball, they had to go back and forth between their hands during the warm-up. They also, while they dribbled, had to pick up a beanbag from the floor and move it into the hoop. As well, another challenge was that the beanbag had to be dropped within the hoop because it would not count, like I said previously, if it was moved outside of the hoop. At the end, the last challenge was that they had to demonstrate to their peers the techniques they used on moving that beanbag into the hoop while dribbling and not losing control of the ball. Thank you. Bye.